In this video, I'll show you how to install the Monday.com app on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and type this link into the search bar, then press enter. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you see the line Download it in Now for macOS or Windows. Then, click on the Windows option to start downloading the Monday.com app setup file. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file to start the installation process. Now, choose whether you want to install the app for only your account or for all users on the computer, then click Install. Wait a few moments while Windows completes the installation. Once the installation is finished, click Finish and the Monday.com desktop app will open automatically. Now simply log in using your Monday.com work account to access your boards, projects, and workspace. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Monday.com desktop app on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.